Well, it looks like Corn Man isn't up to the task of keeping birds out of the Back to Eden garden. Why, Corn Man, can't you do it? So look what happened here. The ears of corn turned into soup. And here's one that turned into fruit cocktail. It's just something. What's going on here? And here's one. It's like some kind of stuff for hot dog. Oh no, what's that up there? Oh, what is it? Oh man, what is it? It's Tropical Bird. Oh, Tropical Bird has come in here to keep the birds scared away from the corn. Over there's another Tropical Bird. Yeah, tropical birds everywhere. So I guess it's Corn Man versus Tropical Bird. And down there's another one. They're everywhere. We have tropical birds flying all over the garden. Where did they come from? Well, I'll tell you, Corn Man's not gonna like this very good. These tropical birds everywhere. I don't know what he'll do. He's liable to just pack up and leave. So, there's just no telling what he might do. Maybe we can get a better look at Tropical Bird from up here. Be something if that don't work either. Corn Man just standing there all alone.